Hello Pop Neuron customers. I would like to show you how to set up the Hextron. So when you receive your Hextron, it's in this carton box. So open this up. And after the packaging, you will see the instruction how to find and install our control software. So basically tell you to go to our website, our company website, to download the software needed. So, but before we do that, then take out the Hextron. So there is one, this is the control electronics or the control box for the Hextron. So unpack it. I'll set it on the side. And also, you have these one USB cable and one power cable come with the Hextron. And then the Hextron is here. Okay, so once we have the hexapod unpacked and the control box unpacked, this is the main control cable for the hexapod, which is 8-pin connector with a notch in the front here, so you are not going to misconnect. But what you need to do is just have the mating connector and then just plug in because of the groove over there. So you just plug it in and then tighten it up. Okay, once that is done, the next thing you need to do is have your power cable and then apparently plug to a 110 or 220. Accident happened that the fuse could protect the circuit from burning up. So if that happened, you have to change the fuse inside. And after you plug it in, the last thing that you have to do is to plug in the USB cable. So this is a USB micro connector. So this side connects to the mating USB connector here. And then the other ends will be connected to a computer. That will be it. That will be the setup process. And the last thing that you need to do is turn on the power. All right, so once you have the system connected, then the next step would be to download the control software from our website. So our company website is popneuron.com. Once you get onto our company website, and then you can actually go to the products, under product, Hextron 1000, click this page. Once the page is loaded, then you go all the way down to the bottom of the page. Here we have our software download here. So this is the main control software for Windows. And we also supply MATLAB library and Python library. If you prefer to use MATLAB or Python to control our Hextron, feel free to download the library. So for general user, please download our Windows software. Once you download the software, you can find our program under Pop Neuron Hextron Control. After you start the program, this panel will pop up. In this panel, you can do your control. For example, here is the translational control where you can do forward, backward, left, right, up, and down. Here's the rotational control where you can do tip, tilt, and yaw. Here is the slider to control the step size for translational step size, for example, 7.1 millimeter. And here's the rotational steps control, which you can do, let's say, 7.6 degree. Also, you can change your unit from millimeter to mil using this toggle button. Okay, for example, we can move the hexapod forward with one step, which is 7.1 millimeter right now, to the right. And also, we can do the tip, and also the tilt, and the yaw. So here's the button where you can actually change the hexapod positioning with all 6 degrees of freedom. For example, you can move x-axis by 3.2 millimeter, y-axis by 1.2 millimeter and z-axis, let's say, for example, 3.7 millimeter. So is the pitch, which is 1.2, for example. Yaw, let's say we want to keep yaw not moving. And roll, let's do negative 3.2 degree. And after you type in all the desired positioning, then you just hit the move button. Then the hexapod will move to your desired position all together, all at once. So this is a general introduction of the hexapod. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Thank you.